Hello, good morning. I think chalk is put anywhere. Yes. So let us think about pteridophyta. So pteron means feather. Feather, you know, this type of feather. So feather-like plants are called pteridophyta. Pteridophyta. Is it clear? So first land plant. First land plant on terrestrial, on earth, not from water. Bryophyta Bryophyta was amphibia. It is not amphibia. It is land plant, terrestrial. Terrestrial. So, is it clear? So, to be terrestrial, it have to be xylem tracheids. You know, xylem is tissue. Tissue is same type of cell for work and destruction. So, xylem is a special tissue for conduction of water. So, xylem tracheids ultimately make hardwood and support and strengthen the stem. So, primary type of xylem is called tracheids, and higher type of xylem is called vessel. VESSEL, which are not found here. Found in angiosperm. Okay. So xylem tracheids present to be strengthened to be terrestrial erect, so that they are first vascular plant, first land plant and first vascular plants. Means it has a stellar system. So you point out point 1 here, the definition of pteridophyta. Then point 2 here, terrestrial xylem tracheids. So tracheophyta. Here tracheophyta is where written. Stellar system, then tracheophyta. Tracheophyta. So, is second part clear? That they have xylem tracheids, stellar systems. So, first vascular plant are they, so that they are called tracheophyta. Point 3. Of course, it is not seeded plant. Not seeded plant means no flowering plant. Pteridophyta is not seeded plant, no flowering plant. Those are angiosperm and gymnosperm. But pseudo means like. For example, Bryophyta has leaf like, not leaf. So, seed habit present. Seed habit present. But not seeded. Means seeded to be flowering, it is being evolution and primary type of or very incipient. Starting evolution. So evolution when increases, जब वो होता है ना विकास, तो विकास के क्रम में बढ़ रहा है. समझ में आया कि सीड हैबिट है लेकिन सीडेड प्लांट नहीं. अब समझ में आया. So I was talking about that the pseudo leaf, pseudo seed, Pyrus melus, apple, A for apple, a pseudo fruit. So pseudo means false or very primitive structure. In microbes, vaccination for used pseudo-type of virus, which is primitive, not infectious. Okay? So, pseudo means false or primary structure, like Pteridophyta is not seeded plant, but have seed habit. So, seed habit, how it starts? That heterospory. Means, hetero means different. Hetero means different. And spory means spore production. Spore formation, you may write. So, two types of spore, male spore and female spore. Of course, they are gametophyte and will develop prothallus. So, fourth point you may write prothallus. Prothallus is X stage. So in Bryophyta there was thallus. Here is not thallus. Here is prothallus. So promise gametophyte is reduced and sporophyte is advanced. Yeah, one thing I am sorry. One thing I was to forget to tell, that sporophyte. First of all, we should mind that pteridophyta age sporophyte. So this is very important thing, that pteridophyta age 2x starting in evolution. Okay. So Gametophyta is X being at last, and clear at the homospory, otherwise heterospory. There is advanced you may say, very advanced reproduction, oogamous, and oogamous reproduction and alternation of generation clear. Okay. So in prothallus there are development of gametophyte, and gametophyte means sex organs. So there, when both type of sex organ is in the same thallus, that is homospory. Means plus and minus both in same prothallus. And heterospory means plus and minus sex organs are on different prothallus. Different means type of spore will give rise to different type of thallus. So different thallus, prothallus have different sex organ. So megaspore will give rise to female prothallus, and microspore give rise to male prothallus, and then they will make zygote 2x, first cell of sporophyte, and that zygote will develop into directly without reductional division will germinate into the pteridophytic plant. Is it clear? अच्छा बेटी ये बताओ कि टेरिडोफाइटा को हिंदी में तो टेरिडोफाइटा ही कहेंगे, उसका ट्रांसलेशन बना ही नहीं है, वेदों में मिल जाएगा लेकिन उतना अध्ययन कोई कर नहीं पाएगा, तो इसलिए अंग्रेजी में समझो कि टेरॉन माने फीदर, फीदर माने पंख, पंख माने वो विंग नहीं, अब हिंदी में समझो तो थोड़ा ब्रॉड माइंड करो कि फीदर इज नॉट विंग, फीदर माने जैसे पंख का एक डैना, पंख का एक यूनिट अलग करो तो वो इस टाइप का दिखेगा, हजारों इस टाइप के फीदर विंग बनाएंगे तो ऐसे पौधों को टेरिडोफाइटा कहते हैं, जो कि जमीन में पहली बार एग्जिस्ट करता है, उसको टेरेस्ट्रियल कहते हैं। तो जमीन में एग्जिस्ट करने के लिए जाइलम चाहिए, तो जाइलम का नाम है ट्रैकिड्स, तो इसलिए इसको ट्रैकियोफाइटा कहते हैं। समझ में? अब ट्रैकियोफाइटा है तो उसका सिस्टम होगा वेस्कुलर बंडल का, उस सिस्टम को स्टीलर सिस्टम कहते हैं। सो फर्स्ट वेस्कुलर प्लांट माने पहली बार स्टीलर सिस्टम बना, सो दे आर वेस्कुलर प्लांट बट नॉट सीडेड प्लांट ना। वेस्कुलर प्लांट है, हाँ सीड है, वेस्कुलर प्लांट है इसलिए ट्रैकियोफाइटा है, और सीड हैबिट प्रेजेंट है इसलिए हेटेरोस्पोरी है। विषम बीजाणुता, तो विषम माने समझते हो ना, आसमान। तो फिर आसमान प्रोथैलस बनेंगे या होमोस्पोरी होकर समान प्रोथैलस बनेंगे। तो समान माने बोथ सेक्स ऑर्गन एक के प्लांट में, और आसमान मीन्स अलग अलग। फिर जाइगोट बनेगा तो डायरेक्ट सीधा पौधा में निर्माण कर लेगा। उसमें अर्धसूत्री विभाजन नहीं होगा, देयर इज नॉट meiosis in this case. Okay, so I think if you have any type of inquiry, it is that please resume this. So I have got another type of color chart. There is no problem. Oh my God. So I think you may imagine that I have not another type of color chart, you know. So I want to discuss actually the classification of Pteridophyta. So may I divide it? So two now 1, 2, 3, and I will divide it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I will divide this two. Sure. One second. Is there something? So there are base of classification. Base means differences, that they are different from these, so they are separate group, then they are separate group. By similarity, they are in one Pteridophyta, but they have some separate things, so it is separate class. So I made 5 points, man, you know, for that. Yeah. Body. Body means sporophyte. Sporophyte. means body. Male plant is sporophyte. So how it is? So first we write the base is sporophyte or body is how. Then spory. Then position of spore. Position of spore. Then steel, and then fifth point gametophyta. Okay. Gametophyta of Pteridophyta is called prothallus. So four groups are here. First is Psilopsida. Second group is Lycopsida. Third group is Sphenopsida. And fourth is Pteropsida. Am I lookable? Pteropsida. Am I right? Pteropsida like this. If there is not written Pteropsida like this, Pteropsida is written there. So body in Psilopsida is not leaf structure, no leaf. So there are telome and mesome. When there is no leaf, only a pore and nodes and internodes only. So the tip internode is called telome and all middle internode is mesome. So two type of telome and two type of mesome. How? Tip of the stem and tip of the rhizoid, rhizome. Okay. So advanced group of rhizoid is rhizome, then the root, but here is rhizoid and rhizome. So just like Marsilia rhizome. So I was telling you that in Psilopsida leaf is silent, Psilopsida, leaf silence. अब लिख मारते हैं like Psilopsida but the leaf silence. Leaf is not talking thing. It is to understood. So there is only node and internode. So tips, node, internode, telome, and then rest all from rhizoid to stem, mesome. In Lycopsida there are microphyllus. Micro means small, phyllis means leaves. Sphenopsida also is microphyllus and megaphyllus, both type of. microphilous, and some exception megaphilous starts, and here it is megaphilous. You know evolution, megaphilous. It is megaphilous, and that was it is first point. Okay. Second, spore. It is homospore. It is both homo and heterospore. Hetero. It is pure homospore. And it is pure heterospore. Tetraphyta has both. Homo and heterospore. Now, position of spore. Position means where it is arranged. So in Psilopsida, in the tip, mesontillum, and in Lycopsida, there is club-shaped cone called strobilus. And in Sphenopsida, it is peltate sporangia. So peltate. Peltate sporangia. And Enteropsida on the leaf surface. Leaf dorsal surface. Megaleaf and dorsal surface. So, first I clear this, that is Psilopsida, there is no leaves and there are just dichotomously branching. For example, Rhynia, dichotomously branching, and on the tip, dichotomously branching like this. And on the tip, there are sporangia beading. So, Psilopsida, Lycopsida, there are leaves and leaf axis make club shape. Gada, वो मुगदर वाला, मुगदर, वो गदर नहीं, मुगदर वाला. In video, the madam was telling about Hanumanji's Gada. No, Hanumanji is not. But what the Pahlawan ji, जो गदा भांजते हैं ना, वो दूसरे सब को होता है, क्लब. So, मुगदर भांजने वाला मुगदर की बात है. हनुमान जी वाला गदा नहीं है, भांजने वाला. तो वो like this, and Hanuman ji's gada is like this. और वो जो जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं वो like this, ये. तो ये हनुमान जी का गदा नहीं, पहलवान जी के द्वारा जो गदा भांजा गया. This is not that mendicant of the goddess Bajrangi, but it is just mendicant of the power serving peoples for the game. So this club, club is not this, club is this. Mugdar, bhanjne wala. So this type of Strobilus club cell. मुगदर, गदा नहीं, मुगदर पानी क्लब। ये गदा नहीं है, मुगदर है। हिंदी तो कम से कम सही लिखे बोले। तो जो गदा कहा जाता है वो गलत है, ये मुगदर शेप। So Strobilus of the cone is shape of club or mugdar, while in Sphenopsida there is peltate sporangia. Peltate means, do you know umbrella? Umbrella. So umbrella is how that they arrange 10 or 8 or 15 type of sticks, and there are what? Saving of waterproof cloth, and it is umbrella. Indian is an umbrella. I went to France and bring a multicolored umbrella like childish. So umbrella. And on the, on the sticks there are, if suppose bags, I have many or 4 bags like this, and it is hanged on the 4 sides of the sticks, and it is fused by cells overgrowing. It is called syngenesious. Means there are organs and covering to support that there is tissue formation. So tissue is formed, but the structure of what I told that एक छाता है, छाता की कड़ियां हैं, छाता की कड़ी में 4 झोले लटका दो, उस प्रकार का जो स्पोरेंजिया है उसको पेल्टेट स्पोरेंजिया कहते हैं. That there is umbrella. Umbrella has sticks. Now you hang on those sticks 4 full of spores, bags. So the position will be called peltate sporangia. Is it clear? Peltate sporangia means there is dome shape and sporangia suspended and fused with tissue having a stalk like this. This is peltate sporangia. Is it clear? Now, in last group Pteropsida, there is Pteropsida, I written that on leaf's dorsal surface. Now, leaf goes to bend, opposite side. So, dorsal surface becomes lower to the earth. इन लिजार्ड छिपकली डार्सल साइड ऊपर होता है बेटा, पत्ती डार्सल साइड नीचे हो जाता है, लटक जाता है ना, समझी? That I want to discuss that dorsal side of leaves, suppose by head, there are hairs, rome. So dorsal side of surface there are called romenta. Romenta, and on that romenta means stalk of the sporangia on the leaves, big leaf, and suppose this leaf, so it is dorsal surface, it is ventral surface, it is ventral, it is dorsal. So dorsal surface on the hairs, so hairs called romenta, and on that romenta there are sporangia. Is it clear? So this character goes to up to the gymnosperm. That gymnosperm first group in which lepidodendron. So this group is gymnospermic character. That sporangia bears comes to the leaf from stem. Here it is on the stem tip. Here it is on the leaf. This is further an evolution. कार्बनिक विकास बाद है डार्विन का. Second, fourth, steel. There is simple steel, haplosteel. Haplosteel. In Lycopsida, there is. I will later tell you what is steel. You see the notes. There is steel means. Steel means pericycle, xylem, phloem, pith. Summation of pericycle, xylem, phloem, pith here. So inside endodermis, whatever it is, all is steel, vascular bundle. So it has also simple to complex evolution. During this, simplest is haplosteel, and haplosteel is many type of protosteel, protosteel, then siphono and solenosteel, siphono plus solenosteel, then dictyo and polysteel, dictyo and polysteel. Okay. Then last point, Gametophyta. This is very different topic. I will tell you that protosteel means xylem is covered by phloem. When there is single leaf gap, then siphono-steel. When there is many leaf gaps, soleno-steel. And so many leaf gaps, one ring, so dictyo-steel of many steels units. Then many ring, it is polycyclic. So this is a steel. Inside I will discuss it. It is full question, you know. So after steel there is different type of gametophyte. That here tubular, Lycopsida, yes, tubular and various shape, tubular and shaped. And Sphagnopsida, you know, cup shape. Cupular means cup shape. And Pteridophyta, cardiac or heart shape. So Gametophyta is called prothallus. So there is clear different type of the prothallus, that is the Psilopsida has tubular, Lycopsida has tubular or shaped, and Sphagnopsida has cupular, and Pteropsida has cardiac shape of the prothallus. मैं बता रहा था कि जो X है, X माने हैप्लॉइड, तो हैप्लॉइड को कहते हैं गैमेटोफाइट। तो गैमेटोफाइट जो है टेरिडोफाइट में प्रोथैलस कहलाता है, प्रोथैलस। तो ये प्रोथैलस जो है साइलोप्सिडा में ट्यूबुलर होता है, ट्यूब के समान, और लाइकोप्सिडा में ट्यूबुलर भी होता है और उसमें थोड़ा और संरचना भी बन जाता है। जबकि स्फिनोप्सिडा में क्यूपुलर होता है, कप ऐसा ब्रांच्ड वाला कप, लहरदार वाला कप चारों तरफ से। तो क्यूपुलर होता है, कप से बना क्यूपुलर, कप जो पीने वालों कप है ना, वो कप, तो कप के समान दिखे। और टेरोप्सिडा जो है लीवर लाइक या हार्ट लाइक दिखेगा। क्या दिखेगा? टेरोप्सिडा का प्रोथैलस। तो मैं समझता हूँ कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा, और ध्यान से कई बार वीडियो देखना। और जो भी नहीं समझ पे आए, अभी ग्रुप वाला उसको खोल दोगा तो उसमें इससे संबंधित प्रश्न एकदम पूछिए, और वही आपका अटेंडेंस भी होगा। तो सबको जो है कुछ पूछो तो आपको उसी में अटेंडेंस मिल जाएगा। तो आप लोग बढ़िया ध्यान से सुने, तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।